Welcome to UK Learnings. We are going to learn highway code warning signs. If you not watch part 1, please find the link in the description. Triangular signs warn. Road signs in the shape of an equilateral triangle are designed to warn you about the road layout or any hazards that lie ahead, such as sharp bends. They almost always have a red border, distance to stop line ahead. Dual carriageway ends. Road narrows on right. Road narrows on both sides. Distance to give way line ahead. Crossroads. Junction on bend ahead. T-junction with priority over vehicles from the right. Staggered junction. Traffic merging from left ahead. Double bend first to left. Bend to right. Roundabout. Uneven road. Plate below some signs. Two-way traffic crosses one-way road. Two-way traffic straight ahead. Opening or swing bridge ahead. Low-flying aircraft or sudden aircraft noise. Falling or fallen rocks. Traffic signals not in use. Traffic signals. Slippery road. Steep hill downwards. Steep hill upwards. Tunnel ahead. Trams crossing ahead. Level crossing with barrier or gate ahead. Level crossing without barrier or gate ahead. Level crossing without barrier. School crossing patrol ahead. Pedestrians likely to cross road ahead. Pedestrians in road ahead. Zebra crossing. Overhead electric cable. Plate indicates maximum height of vehicles which can pass safely, available with the headroom indicated. Sharp deviation of route to left. Light signals ahead at level crossing, airfield or bridge. Miniature warning lights at level crossings. Cattle. Wild animals. Wild horses or ponies. Accompanied horses or ponies. Cycle route ahead. Risk of ice. Traffic queues likely ahead. Distance over which road humps extend. Other danger. Plate indicates nature of danger. Soft verges. Side winds. Hump bridge. Worded warning sign. Quayside or river bank. Risk of grounding. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, like, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get more videos.